Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench. So, in the long video, I hand planed this piece of cherry. Difficult grain. I went a little deep with the scrub plane, had to work a little harder with the 5.5 jumbo jack. And then I showed you how I mark the face and the edge. So in this video, this short video, I just want to talk about marking your face and your edge. Now, you all know that I use the pencil and I mark the end of the board all the time to tell me which direction I want to plane. So this face I planed in this direction, and this edge I planed in this direction. So that's a Walter marking. In the industry, or as a pretty much historical standard, when you're planing surfaces and you're creating a face and an edge, generally speaking, the letter F, the script letter F, comes into play. However, it's usually only done in a single part. It looks like a P. And then for the edges, I like to carry the P down one line and I put a second line next to it. Now, if you can't see it on that pine, we'll do it on the cherry. So it's just a letter F, top, and then strike, strike for the edge. So, I mean, if you want, you can do the whole entire F if you want, but this sort of is the standard. You develop your own method, but that's how most of us mark. Just a short shop tip. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.